It's Shoot Your Shot TV. My name's Paul. We're back with another episode for you guys. Again, courtesy of my bro Rich Boy. Today we're reviewing the Nike Off-White Air VaporMax by Virgil Abloh. Boom. That's a good looking shoe. We're here to find out what makes these collaborations so great. Do people really love the shoes, or are we all just kind of caught up in the hype? It's Shoot Your Shot TV. It's Shoot Your Shot Records. It's the Virgil Ablohs. Oh my God, base God. It's the VaporMax. Let's get it. The first Off-White Nike collection, the 10, released back in November 2017, and just like a lot of you guys out there, I wasn't able to secure a single pair from that drop. I took 10 L's. Fast forward to 2018, Virgil and Nike are back at it, still dropping limited sneakers. Instead of dropping them all at once, they're staggering out the releases weeks apart. For those of you who don't know, Virgil Abloh is one of Kanye West's close friends. He's also from Chicago. He was the art director behind the classic album Watch the Throne with Jay-Z, and he had a brand called Pyrex before. And also, he's the new creative director for Louis Vuitton, and he's the founder of Off-White, obviously. When it comes to design, Virgil follows this 3% ideology, which basically states you can change 3% of any product and still have it to be considered original and recognizable by the masses. He's a self-proclaimed imperfectionist, stating that as long as he can execute 80% of his vision, that's good enough for him, and he's comfortable enough to move on to his next project. The inspiration for the Off-White VaporMax was basically taking the tongue from the waffle racer, which is one of Nike's very first designs, and mixing it with Nike's latest tech at the time, which is Flyknit and that big fat VaporMax air bubble. This is the second Off-White VaporMax. The first one that released in 2017 was all black with a blacked out air bubble, and it also had a white swoosh and a white tongue. It came with 2 sets of laces, orange and neon green. Now let's take a look at this year's pair. So here they are. They come in this Nike orange box. However, it's flipped inside out because that's his thing. He likes to flip things inside out. It says swoosh right here on the top of the box in quotations, and it has that little Off-White description on the side panel of the box. You have a clear side sticker right here that reads the 10 Nike Air VaporMax FK for Flyknit, and an undefeated sticker on here because these were picked up from undefeated San Francisco. So now let's take a look at the shoes. Off-White Nike Air VaporMax. Sock-like upper, give you that easy breathability. That zip tie that Off-White's kind of known for putting on the shoes and putting on their other pieces. It says Off-White on it, CO Nike in quotes. You got shoelaces that have shoelaces written on it in quotes. It says Air right here on the side in quotes. Has that waffle racer tongue, very soft, very light, in that sport orange or that true varsity orange right here on the tongue. And you have these Tide Pod looking air bubbles, also kind of looks like Steph Curry's mouthpiece. Simple looking shoe, very lightweight, says the 10 on the insole. Right here it says Off-White for Nike, Nike Air in quotes, Nike Air VaporMax in quotations, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, C 2017. Let's go ahead and try these on. Nike VaporMax is a very comfortable shoe. You can definitely feel the comfort and the bounce back from the thick air bubble in the heel and the forefoot. It's very lightweight. and that fly knit upper provides a nice breathability. This is a 9.5, which is my true size, and it fit perfectly. So if you were to pick up a pair of VaporMaxes, I suggest going true to size. If I had a chance to cop these at retail, I definitely would, but then I probably would end up just flipping them and taking that money and buying a regular pair of VaporMax, because it's pretty much the exact same thing. The only major difference is the tongue, and although I do like the waffle racer tongue, it's a nice touch, it's not enough for me to pass up on that resale value. So if you have a chance to pick up any Off-White Nike, you definitely should, and then you should just flip it and buy the regular non-Off-White version of that shoe, unless you're a really die-hard Off-White fan. But other than that, you're just paying for the brand. So that's our episode for today. Again, want to say thank you to my homie Rich for letting us borrow these before he even got a chance to wear them. Thanks, bro. And this Shoot Your Shot TV. If you like these videos, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that like button. Let's have a conversation in the comments. Share this on your social media. We're trying to grow the channel. My name's Paul, Shoot Your Shot TV. We out. It's the VaporMax. It's the Virgil Abloh. Oh my God, baby God.